Hello stars, in this video I'm going to show you the trick I use when I don't feel motivated to go to the gym or work out or even do anything productive. I just do this trick to boost my energy, so keep watching it. Of course, your gym doesn't have to look like this. This happened somehow. I don't even know how this happened, that I have gym like this. Probably because I was working out so much at so many crappy gyms before, and then God or universe was like, okay kid, you deserve to have this amazing gym now. And this is how I'm starting slowly to move and to have fun and going more into dancing. You might be able to say that I am just doing a freestyle here. I don't really know what moves I'm taking. I'm just doing something, but I'm definitely enjoying and having fun and definitely doing some kind of exercise. You will notice if you do it, which I noticed, that at this point I really don't care what's happening. I am in the flow, I'm having so much fun, and music is what's moving me. I don't really see anybody around me and I'm completely in present moment, enjoying every single move I take, and it's such a good vibe. And from this point I have so much more energy than before coming to the gym, and I feel much more inspired and actually motivated to do some more exercises and do something more for my body. Also, following your own intuition will help, like it helps me. I am doing exercises that I feel like doing it. I feel like I want to do them. They're fun for me in that moment, and I know that it will be more beneficial if it's interesting and if it's exciting than doing just something that I saw that I should do instead of just following your own guidance and listening your own body. And here you can see that I even overload my bar with weights, which is a good sign. It just means that I felt super strong, motivated and energized to do something like that. And after that I just decreased weight and continued. I also thought, guys, I can share that when you don't feel inspired to go to the gym, still go and just show up. And once you go there, once you're here and see all of this, you will do something. Like, you will definitely do better than just staying in bed. So I just support you to go and, just show up. You can notice here that I was already in a flow, I was already warmed up and working out hard, but you will also notice that I got bored and switching the room didn't really help me that much, so I switched back to dancing, which was a great idea because it became more spontaneous and fun again. And after that I felt inspired doing whole upper body workout, which was a great success. I can promise you guys that if you go to the gym and just show up, start with small steps like dancing, you won't regret, you will feel so proud. And this was all, stars, for today's video. I hope this was very helpful and that you will use this trick next time. Thank you so much for watching.